Hey everybody, I'm Carla Dennis and I am America's Tax Advisor. Did you know that Amazon didn't pay any state income taxes for 2018? They're probably not going to pay any for 2019, and you can too. It's just amazing to me that how many people don't realize that this tax code is set up for business owners and you can write off almost anything. As I walk in my office, I want you to know that I want to educate you on what Amazon knows. They are doing it legally, they are doing it honestly, and they are following the tax laws. You need to follow the tax laws too. But here's the key. You got to know what the tax laws are. You absolutely do, because once you find out, you will be able to reduce your tax bill and write off almost anything. Join me on my webinar, How to Write Off Almost Anything, because I am going to teach you how to keep that cash in your pocket. Click on the link below, join America's Tax Advisor, and register today. I can't wait to see you on the other side.